Hello everyone, I am Dr. Saili Sandeep Patil, Consultant Fertility Specialist at Yashoda Hospital, Bhandup West. In this video, I will be explaining you some basic concepts regarding menstruation and as to how pregnancy occurs inside the body. And in the next video, I will be sharing with you some practical tips on how to get pregnant. For the basic understanding, we will consider a normally menstruating female having around a 28 or a 30-day menstrual cycle with normal uterus, ovaries and tubes. Now what happens in such a kind of female? The pituitary gland initially starts producing two hormones, FSH and LH. This FSH hormone is very important. It is called normally as the follicle stimulating hormone and it will act on the ovarian follicles or the eggs inside the ovaries. One out of the many eggs will start growing under the influence of this follicle stimulating hormone. As the egg starts growing, it also starts producing another hormone called as the estrogen, and this estrogen hormone will now have its effect on the uterus and the lining inside the uterus, as we commonly call it as the endometrial lining. So this endometrial lining, which was initially around 2 or 3 millimeters at the start of the menstrual cycle, will now gradually go on increasing to 10, 11 or 12 millimeters in almost the mid-cycle. This estrogen hormone will again have an additional impact on the pituitary gland and it will trigger the LH surge. What is this LH surge? This LH surge is an exponential or a very high sudden rise in the hormone LH. And this is very important for us to remember because I will be explaining you how to utilize this particular fact so as to track our ovulation. Under the influence of this elevated LH, now the oocyte which has attained maturity or is fully grown will release the oocyte from this dominant follicle, the process as we call it as the ovulation. Once this oocyte is released, it will be picked up by the fallopian tube and the fallopian tube will now start its rhythmic motion of pushing the oocyte towards the uterus. The couple, if they are able to have relations during this particular time frame, that is the peri-ovulatory period, will result in deposition of the semen sample inside the vagina. This semen sample has multiple millions of sperms inside it, and these sperms will gradually begin their journey from the vagina into the cervix, into the uterus, and then finally reaching the fallopian tubes. Only one out of the many millions of sperms will be able to fertilize the oocyte and will result in the development of a two-cell structure which we call as the embryo. This embryo will go on multiplying, undergo cell division and will result in a 1632 cell structure gradually, and by around day 5 or day 6 of the formation of the embryo, this will again reach inside the uterus or the endometrial lining, burrow inside the endometrial lining and get implanted. What facilitates this implantation process and what further helps this embryo to grow is the second hormone which is being released from the collapsed follicle inside the ovary. This collapsed follicle or the structure is commonly called as the corpus luteum. And the hormone which is produced from this corpus luteum is called as the progesterone. So progesterone is very important for the pregnancy to get implanted properly and for the initial 9 weeks of development of the ongoing embryo. You will also like to know as to what happens if fertilization or embryo formation doesn't happen. The corpus luteum which was formed will then start degrading. The progesterone levels will go on declining and finally result in the onset of the next menstrual cycle 14 days after ovulation has occurred. There are only two outcomes of ovulation. One, either fertilization doesn't happen and you get your next periods, or you get pregnant. I hope by the end of this video you must have got a fair idea regarding the concepts of menstruation and pregnancy or fertilization. If you have any queries regarding this video or you want any further information regarding this, please be free to contact on the numbers being provided at the end of this video. In my next video, I will be guiding you on certain tips or help you to get pregnant faster. Keep watching. Thank you.